How's it going, everyone? Nepal V here, back to you with another spontaneous live stream. In this video, we're going to do exactly what I said we're going to do. We're going to do some stuff regarding a new enemy type called the Boss Bubble. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. So, the Boss Bubble, also known as the Chameleon, actually it's not really a Boss Bubble, it's more like a tougher enemy. And this bubble will change into like different types of enemies. What does that even mean? Okay, let me think about what that means. It means it's gonna change colors, so it's sort of like a chameleon. And we're gonna set that up and figure out how it works. So let me go back to my tank here really quick. Okay, so let's actually take a look at a regular bubble. So you got a blue bubble here, and the blue bubble let me just create a backup here. Check in changes. Alright, so that should be up to date. So blue bubble here, it's just a regular bubble. It keeps its color. Same with the green bubble. And also as far as properties, it has a bubble movement script and a spawn bubble. I'm sorry, an object color and a bubble identifier. That's not going to be how our more advanced bubbles are going to be set up. They're going to be a bit more, how do I put this lightly, bigger. Now, what's interesting here is all these bubbles have materials, so they're gonna be interchanging the materials. So the only different material here is blue D. So I'm gonna have to. The goal today is to see, okay, like at a certain amount of time, the bubble's gonna change its color. All right, let's get into it. So for now, I'm just going to duplicate one of these. Drag it onto the scene. I know, worst color ever. Because it's literally blending in with the background. I guess we can sort of scale it by 5s. Oh, that actually worked. Okay. And let's just see how that looks in the context of... Okay, so the player can definitely see it. So, we don't necessarily want the bubble movement script, because we're putting everything all in this script, and we don't really want to do that. Actually, I'm going to call it a chameleon bubble. I used Google to help me with the spelling, so yeah, that's why it worked. So in 1 second it could be green. It changes its color every 5 seconds, I guess. We could do that. Let's remove the object color. Remove that. let's disable the spawner. Now, I guess I could use abstractions, but, you know, we'll leave it off for now. Why can't it be found? What? What do you mean? Okay, whatever, dude. So, it has to be... can be found. Why is it telling me it can't be found? Okay. So, we got our start and update. So let's think about what we want to do. We definitely want a move speed. We have a rigid body for this bubble. And we wanted to chase the player. Because, I mean, let's look at here. Move towards player, so you got the player transform. Which, I don't think we're really setting that anywhere. Maybe we are, I don't know. And so that we're moving towards the player. Do we want to do the same thing for this bubble? Yes, we do. So I guess we can take the same sort of transform and set it right there. You can have a start method that does exactly that. Hold on, give me 1 sec. So player controller is the instance that we're trying to chase. Okay, so that's the first step. Second step is serializable materials. Give me 1 sec, I gotta go use the bathroom. Alright, I'm back. Okay, what were we doing? Okay. That's good. That's good. You also want instances for the rigid body, which is what this is, and also the sphere collider, which, do we really need the sphere collider? Actually, wait, we do need the object colors. So we'll take this, and we will add it here. But wait, we had to make this a serialized field. Okay, so let's do that first. Let's make that a serialized field. I always forget to do this. I should always do this in every stream. Let's put some music on. Where's that playlist? Oh, right here. Okay. Hold on a minute. Why am I doing this? Okay. I don't know, this is like a staple of my channel now. How amazing is that? Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Therefore, we're good. Okay. Let's see if that even works. So how many colors do we have? We have one. Let me go back to the chameleon object here. No, I'm not even using this right. Yeah, we can't do this. But I guess what we could do is we could add, like, distinct colors. So look here, we got blue, green, purple, red. Yeah, I feel like that's what we can do. Just add a bunch of object colors. Alright, so this one's blue. I guess this one can be green. Purple. And red. I feel like we could use a strippable object for this, but let's not get we can actually optimize this later on. What do we do now? Blue, green, purple, red, okay. Serialize. Serialize scripts. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 of them.
Me, baby.
Can I rename this? No, we can't, can we? Alright then. Actually, I don't like this way. I really don't. Let's learn about scrubbable objects in Unity. So I know what scriptable objects are, at least I think I do, but do I understand them all enough? Let's break it down. So it's a data container used to store a large amount of data. It differs from a lot of behaviors in that it doesn't get attached to game objects, it exists as an asset in your project, which means you can save the data to a persistent between editor sessions. At runtime, it allows your game to reference the stored data, but you can't modify scriptable object data during the runtime in a deployment build. Key benefits: memory efficiency. By storing common or static data in scriptable objects, you avoid duplicating data when instantiating multiple prefabs. This makes memory management more efficient, as all references point to a single asset. Cool. Share data. Multiple game objects can access the same instance of the scriptable object, allowing a centralized data management. Okay. Customizable in editor. Scriptable objects are customizable or editable in Unity Editor, making it easy to tweak values, test configurations, and reuse data between scenes without needing to modify the code. I'm a bit confused by what. So you can, it seems like you can, flexible way to, especially that you don't need to frequently, but don't need to be frequently changed. I am a bit confused by that statement. Scripts are designed primarily to store data in your assets or project. You can modify their data within the Unity editor, such as setting variables, adding spawn points, or changing configurations. And these modifications are saved to disk as part of the asset. In deployment build, meaning the versions of your game that is running outside the Unity editor. After building a game for PC mobile, scriptable object data is read-only, means the game can access and use the data stored, but it cannot permanently modify or save changes. I think I understand what that means. Yeah. Okay, so given all that data and context, I think we can easily any change you make to a scriptable object's data during runtime while the game is running will not persist after you close the game. The next time the game is run will reset to the values that were saved during development. Why is this the case? Are maintained intended sole usability static data since they exist as an asset in the Unity project. They are not designed to save changes made during runtime, like a save file would. Unity's built-in persistent method to player prefs are custom. Should be okay. So you can't use them to save your game. So they make a terrible save system. Can you still modify data? Yes, you can temporarily modify scriptable object data in runtime, which I don't think we are, because all we're really storing is the object color and the color name. Alright, so I think I have enough info. Okay, so how do we even use them? So we got menu name is scriptable objects, and then scriptable. Oh, okay, so this is the menu, but we can actually like store them. Okay, I think I understand what we have to do. Because here's what I'm envisioning, right? We have a color scriptable object, and the color has a material, and it has the object color. Okay, so let me feed in that context to this AI. Yes, you can create some logic and just material. It's a good name for it. Color. Material. So it looks like what we gotta do is get rid of all this stuff here. So instead of inheriting from mono behavior, what we're gonna do instead I think I can do it this way. Oh, that was pretty easy. Can I rename this to blue? Let's do one for green. And I think that's just called green. What do you have? Blue, green, purple, and red? Okay, we have blue, green, purple, red. Hold on. What do we have for purple? Pink. Okay. The actual material name is called pink. So just gotta make sure. Select the right one. Let's create one more. This one's easy. Gotta be a little more legit. Just why I'm using scriptable objects. Okay, so let's go back to our other script. We already know. We already had that there. So this is now we can actually create an array. So let's look at the example again and see how we can do that. Okay, so spawn manager scriptable object. We could do private. I really wish I didn't close that class. That's on me. But it really doesn't matter. Pretty sure we can actually try this now. So we need a starting color for the chameleon. So how do we get there? What do we do to start? Let's think about what we have to do. So in here, we have the material. So it is actually possible to change the material's color. Okay. Alright, let's actually define this function. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't, I don't think that really matters, but we'll just tell it that's what it is. return a random element, return color scriptable object at a random index. Okay. Should actually work now. Let's try it out. Let's keep an eye on that chameleon, because it might change. Notice it's not really moving. Boom. Oh, it is moving actually. Yeah. Try that one instead and see if it works. That one's green, but let's try another one. Red. Okay, good. Okay, it's getting closer. We can also create another scriptable object for the life of the chameleon bubble. I don't know if this is the best way to do it though. I think we can easily just do it by doing I hope I spelled that right. Wait. Let's move everything into its own folder. Pretty much all this stuff can be moved in. Create you know, separate spawner. Okay. Let's see, you got that bubble here. Okay, so private. Which I guess we can set to 50. Did I do the backwards? I think I did the backwards. Happy Sunday, everybody. Okay, so let's continue the design. So you got the current health is set to the max health. On collision enter. So there's two scenarios here. And let's look at the on collision enter. What? Oh, is it because I like move things around? Okay. That's probably what I meant. Okay. On collision enter. So let's see if it's a bullet, which it could very well be. What is this? This is a bubble? We'll have to create another tag for this, but for now, we'll just leave it the way it is. player. I'm sorry, there should be bullet. What are we doing here, dude? Oh, we didn't even assign the script. Should definitely do that. Oh, come on. Did I assign the wrong script? What is this? That's the movement script, and this is the health. Okay, definitely did that. So it should be this script here. Okay, and obvious. Okay, so let's just do this now. There's no point holding it back. Let's do another tag called boss bubble. Or how do I spell chameleon? Did I spell that wrong? Why do we keep spelling things wrong? That's embarrassing. So we're gonna have to like, why is that still happening? Okay, good. Well, that shouldn't even be there. Oh wait, Zach, we changed the tag. Oh, but we didn't change the tag. Okay, now we changed the tag. Okay, good. Now let's test to see what happens when you collide with a player. So it works, okay, but I had to put in a little bit of effort to make it work. Like I had to like ram into it a bit more. What happened? What just happened, dude? Oh, you know what happened? It's the bubble that just bashed into that. Alright, let's let it load for a minute and see what happens. could do it, let it come to us instead of it going to you. Sort of now we can actually do that here in the script. Let's look at bubble movement really quick and see how that works out. So move towards player is a function you wrote. And do we have an update function here? Okay, so as far as like whether a bubble's frozen or not, that was from an early iteration. We still need to add the rigid body, and what else do we need to add in here? Yeah, I feel like that should be it, right? Let's just copy this function over and it'll tell us exactly what we need to do. We'll have to do that in here though. It's the same function. I guess we could sort of add some abstraction, but I don't really want to do that now. Gravity force, we'll have to add that. That's how it knows, like, hey, this gravity applies. Because it's always, like, moving. We do need a rigid body. We're not gonna make it like serializable. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Move this down a bit. If you like what you're seeing, please leave a like. Helps the channel grow. I would appreciate it. So apply gravity, we're not using it anywhere, but we do need to assign the rigid body. Assigning the player transform in here, so that should be good. We do need to call this somewhere. And that's all in move towards player. Okay, we have applied gravity. But we do need a fixed update, so let's add that in there. We can easily ignore that because bubbles are never frozen. That was like when I was trying to fix when I was trying to adjust the homing bullets. So, you know. Let's also add move towards player. Oopsies, hold on. We've got to define this function, so let's do that. just blanked out there. So all this is the same, so if the player has nothing, just don't do anything. Otherwise you'll end up with errors. So what we want to do here is calculate the direction towards the player and normalize it. So it doesn't like move obscenely fast. So if you go in certain angles, sometimes it moves faster. This actually prevents that kind of thing from happening. I might be wrong on that, so if you're a physics expert, please correct me. If you have a more precise way to explain that. I might be 100% wrong. Move speed. We definitely need a move speed. And we're defining that like right here. I guess we can make this one a little faster. Say that's like 10. Obviously, if it's moving way too fast, we'll adjust it. Okay, what do we do from here? And then move the position to the matching player. So fix delta time. We're still using delta time, but not delta time itself. This is just a start. If I attack it, okay. So the bullet doesn't really do anything when it collides with the chameleon bubble. Oh my gosh, you know what else we can do? That's right. We can add a paint effect. We can also assign effects to these. Hold on. Right now, our bubble movement here has the effects. It's a paint explosion effect prefab. And we can also add a floating text prefab. But this is a scriptable object. We don't have to do like... Hold on. I'll show you what I mean. And we can literally just copy these right from... Now actually, I'm hoping this actually updates the objects here. Kind of wish I used scriptable objects from everything right from the get-go. But that's okay. We live and learn. Either way, it's still kind of a stupid design that I didn't do that. Alright. So new blue bubble pop. That's the paint explosion, and then bubble pop effect. That's just, so pretty much all these have that. So that one's an easy one. We'll just add like the bubble pop effect to pretty much every one of these. So let's select all these. Pretty sure that's where it is, right? Bubble pop effect. Okay. Paint explosion prefab. So, first of all, for that one alone, we'll just figure out where particle effects is. So new blue. We're just gonna play that effect and then destroy it. I don't really want to get into the object pooling Okay, we're still locked in here. Let's see if I can find the new green. There we go. New purple, I guess. What do we call the purple one? Well, let me try to find it. New purple bubble pop. So why can't it find it? Like, it's weird. Oh, it's because is it because I'm looking in the wrong one? That's why. If you can't find something, that means you're looking in the wrong place. That's a life lesson. So, what do we do from here? Now, when a bullet collides with a bubble, now we're doing all that in here. We don't destroy the game object. Hold on, let me see what else we're doing. Okay, let's go to the bullet script, because that's where we don't destroy bullets. Because instead what we do is we just take it out. So I think on collision enter, maybe on, oh yeah, right here, return bullet to the, okay. If the collision is the tag, compare the tag. If the color component, I think I got it. I guess we can actually do that, not in there, in here. So in the bullet, here we are. We don't want to set this as an instance. Let's see. Private current color. That should be the variable name, but realistically speaking, we could do like a public read-only property. So wait, hold on. Starting color, that's what we're setting here, right? I'm sorry, wait. Set material to color. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now I guess the public property went through this entire playlist, goddamn. Let's see if you can find another song playlist to listen to. I've been copyrighted when I try to play the Bear Trap, so that one doesn't work. All this is like copyright free, so the music is. Let's get into this. Current color we're assigning right here. So what do we do? Like, where do we go from here? We already have the current color. Ah, wait, in Unity, how do I make a public property actually do that here, so public int current color. But that's not really an int, is it? There we go. Let's move more sense. I think that's good as far as like what we're going to return. Let's see. What I think we could do here is do like a serializable field. Of this. So no matter what, it's not going to be around looking for that object. It'll literally know, okay, well, literally that's what we're trying to do. Can you do that? Yeah, you can do that. Okay, cool. It's not going to get a null error. That's good. So if it is a bullet, I'm guessing what we could do is get the bullet's object color. Let me see. If you can't do it this way, then I'll have to find another way to do it. Okay, so if it is the object color, we'll test it like piecewise. So if it does have an object color, this is where we want to handle that logic. good, good. It does. That's what I thought. Let's trace this and see where it goes. Okay, so we're only destroying a bullet. We do have a bullet color. Alright, using these anywhere, so it's gonna throw a warning, but it's alright. We're building this piecewise, so like, we're not making mistakes. Come on. Why? Okay, so it paused. Okay, so that's good. Let's see what the log said. Alright, cool. Alright, so we have the bullet color and the bubble color. So what do you want to do here? If the colors don't match, don't do anything, right? Well, we still want to... do is take the bullet pool instance and return that bullet. Because we're not really ready for it. we do? I hope this is an efficient way of comparing objects. So only one way to try. So colors don't match, but why is this looking? I know it doesn't really matter much, but oh wait, did I do this wrong? I did that wrong. Of course that's wrong. It's not gonna work if it doesn't work. So you gotta, star tag and end tag both have to be color apparently. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, come on. Bro. Colors do match, but this time around, the colors don't match, I guess. Good. So we know that's working, but I don't know why it's like lagging. That's kind of disturbing. So let's see why that's happening. Colors match. Good. Where'd it go? Did it fall off the map? Yeah, we don't want that to happen. So I guess we could easily like set up a AI that if the bubble were to somehow fall off the map, it'll just come back. So I guess we could sort of program that into all the bubbles. But how do we do that? That's the question. Now it's like trying to kill me. Okay. So if the colors match, they don't match. I guess what we could do is do a miss. But that's another day. We'll have to put a placeholder. Now if the colors match, what we can do is do cm.currentColor.paintExplosion refab, I guess, and set active. How do we actually play an effect? Paint explosion, paint render. Did we just play it? That's it? Let's see how that looks though. Pretty sure that's how you do it. Let's try this. Okay, that didn't do anything. Wait, how are we playing these effects? So you get the particle system. I'm sorry, that's the particle system, but this is actually what I'm trying to look for here. That's what we have to do. We have to instantiate the paint explosion. And then we start, okay. So we're not doing this right. Well, we are, but in here we didn't set it up right. So let's replicate this behavior. Alright, I'm gonna take that. Start paint explosion. Okay, so start trigger particle. Trigger effects, I guess. Let's try to make it a bit more general. And in this function here, we'll use that coroutine. We already have that globally defined, so we don't have to do anywhere else. So let's generate that. So the first thing we want to do, let's take a look at this. Get the paint explosion, assign it to a variable. Now I'm not gonna feed this into the AI because we already did this before, so it'll be a lot faster just getting, you know. Hold on, let me share my stream. That's better. I don't like the way my face is like showing up there. There we go. Because that way you can actually see the logo and whatnot. That should be better. Okay, so get the paint explosion object. That's the first thing we need to do. The second thing we need to do is extract the particle system from it. Step number 3. I'm in the wrong script. You don't really need to do this. I don't know why we even have this in here. That was just the way I was doing it, you know, the first time around and whatnot, but, you know. Okay. start the coroutines. Oh, wait. Destroy pop-up system. Oh, that's right, yeah, hold on. We still want these hit words, which are not really serialized. Those, but we'll get to that in a sec. The most important thing is getting the playtime to work. Hold on, let me drink some coffee. Okay, so extract the particle system. Let me go back to that really quick. So it was just there a second ago. Okay, so we don't need to do any of this stuff, but we do want to start the coroutine. Okay. We already have the particle system, which is right from the paint explosion. So we just gotta take this line right here and assign it to a variable here. So let's see. This time around, it's the cm.current color. Paint explosion prefab, I believe. And I guess what we could do. Wait a sec. What are we doing? Oh. Hold on a sec. No. Sorry. I didn't want to change that function name. What is a bullet? Okay. That's what a bullet is. I know what a bullet is, but in the context of this, what is a bullet? That actually doesn't matter. Yeah. So you got the collision, which is what this is, and we already know it's a bullet because we're in this if statement. Alright, what do we do here? Take the blue. Okay, so that's the first thing we do is get that. Extract the particle system from it. Okay, so, which we kind of already did. No, we didn't. start the coroutine and play the effect. Where even is it? Okay, here it is. Oh, what am I even doing? Not even thinking at the moment. So destroy particle system after play. So this actually we need to define. But we're not returning a string, so that's wrong. It's actually this. So we wait for it to finish and then we destroy it, I guess. Alright. Alright. We're getting somewhere. Out, I guess. Why are we getting the paint renderer? We actually don't need this. I don't think we really need this because we're not using it anywhere. So I'll just comment that out for now. All right, let's try this out. Red. Okay, oh, here it is. So that's... You know what? Let's increase the mass of the rigid body. Because the thing is, we don't want it to like just dash away. Okay, so it didn't really dash away. That was a wrong description. Let's try making it a ginormous number. Something like that, maybe. And see if that does anything. Bruh. Wait, hold on. Bubbles are kinematic, but this rigid body is not. How did that happen? Didn't work. I'm sorry, the bullets are kinematic, but the bubbles are not. Okay. Maybe they are. I don't know. I guess they're... No, they can't be. So we don't want to use kinematic. Okay, so there is something... I just changed a bunch of numbers, and I feel like that actually might be... Okay, so that's kind of what I was expecting. The drag, we can make that 15. Let's adjust the drag. Actually, let's play this in a player focused mode. It's really just like adjusting the numbers. You know what I mean? Okay, so that's a little... So 15... Wait. Frickin' A. Bro. Give me a purple. I really gotta... This is really annoying. If it annoys me, it's probably gonna annoy other players, so I'm definitely gonna have to fix this. It's the only way to get a random... Why am I not getting a purple bullet? Don't tell me it's broken. Okay, here we go. A million years later. So the drag needs to be... Let's just put it at 100 because I like where it is. It does sort of kick back a bit. Or sometimes it does. I don't know. Is it? Particle system has been destroyed. What does that mean? Where's that even happening? Getting a bunch of purples, not even getting blue. Why is that happening? Okay, so why is the particle system showing up as null? I don't get it. Oh, I think I know where it's happening. Like chameleon bubble, let's see. We might have to rethink our strategy here. I know what exactly is happening. So we destroy that. Okay, cool. Great. Give me a green. Okay, so it's not showing up there. It's a bit weird because it's only showing up like randomly. Don't you just hate when that happens? And I guess it's only showing up on blue colors. For all we know, for all we can tell. So wait, I got a question. Oh wait, let's try. Oh, good. Slide it into me. I should be losing health, which we haven't really set that up yet. So okay, here we are. All right. I don't know. It's not even showing up at all, but sometimes it is. So that is a bit strange. Strange behavior. Strange behavior indeed. Okay. Alright, let's continue. So let's actually, like, finish up the logic. So, we also want the pop-up text to occur. So let's get that in there. We got a bunch of nonsense here. We don't need this. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the share button, and hit the subscribe button. I have to say that at an interval. Okay, let's think about this. So we don't want to start this coroutine. Well, we do, but we also want to start another coroutine. So in here, the way we do that is we have the destroy pop-up system after play. And so we got a bunch of random words here. We got floating texts, particle text, which we get from the floating text prefab. So realistically, we can just copy this entire function. Yeah. Just trying to think about what I'm saying. And this is the floating text prefab, which we don't quite have, but we do, but it's actually like cm.currentColor, because we're using scriptable objects here. There we go. And just defining it is not enough. We have to call it somewhere. We're doing it in the bubble health sort of area. Where do we do that? Do we do that here? Yeah, we do it right here. Oops, sorry. Unbelievable. So we're not just getting a random paint explosion. That paint explosion actually means something. Red, we got a red. Sweet. Sweet. That works. That one you can't really see. That's okay. But it pops up in the weirdest place though. Come on, give me a red. Ah, here it is. Why is it showing up there? Try that again, because why is it showing up behind the bubble? Let's figure that out. has to be a way to do it. Okay, so let's see. We got random word, that still stays the same. We want this, define the offset distance. We'll make it private for now, but am I still playing the game? And then vector position in front. So that what we also need to do. But instead of doing one, instead of like, and I guess the solution here is to like just place that here. Okay, that makes sense. Why is my stream always like behind one step? Yeah, I'm sweating. And then everything else looks to be the same. So let's try this out and see if it works. Okay, let's actually see if this works. Right. That didn't work though. Wait, what? What happened? See, that happened. It's still showing up right underneath it, though. Why? Oh, hold on. I guess what we could do just for the chameleon bubble is we can add a spawn point. So create an empty object. So we'll take what we did. We'll just like take all this stuff here, move it back here. We don't want to do it on the whole transform because the transform is like there. But realistically speaking, this object here is going to be where it's found. Zero, and I guess the Z value can be 0, but the only thing that changes is really the Y value. Right, so that's where the text should spawn. And it's this transform we want to like reference. So let's try this one. Serialized field, private, transform, text transform. So it'll be up to us to set it. This seems like a hacky solution. I'll be honest with you, it might actually be a hacky solution, but we'll try it anyway. So we just gotta plop that right in there. Try this out. And try this out. Okay. Give me one sec. don't have a blue, purple. Yeah, this is. I ran into this problem earlier. It was embarrassing. There it is. There we go. Oh. See? Bro, where is a purple? Give me a freaking purple, bruh. Okay, it's still showing up there. Did I like not save my work? Oh, you know why it's showing up there? It's because we didn't even set it. We didn't even reassign this text transform. We'll address this issue quickly. Right after we finish testing this out. But I do want to like. Okay, let me think about this a bit. It should always appear above. The bubble shouldn't even jump. Where's my green? I need a green. Here it is. It's still showing up there. Why is it still showing up there? Did I save? I saved. Alright, I'm just gonna listen to something else. Looks like we have to assign this to the sphere itself. So let's do that. See if this works. Okay, so that's working. Oh. Okay. That didn't work. Give me the friggin' bubble! It doesn't spawn right there, dude. Hmm. Okay, that seemed to work. Let's now work on the when the player the color changing. So every 5 minutes we should change the color. And this is actually where we're getting the current color. So we set this up for a reason. So okay, so I know how to do this. So let's see. What we want to do is define an interval variable. Like right here. But this 5 is not really I guess we can do it in awake. And then start. This actually might. I see the problem here. So the problem is, we spawn an object and we destroy it, I guess. That's the issue. But we don't want to destroy the prefab. Right? Okay. Oh, actually, wait. Hmm. as you can see, I'm still trying to determine where to put this. Oh man! There's another thing I want to try to figure out today. So when you hit a bubble, we increment the streaks on successful hits. So we're going to copy these into... I think we can do it in here. Those are just regular ints, so it really doesn't matter much. So if there is a match, I need more coffee. Be right back. That was a quick one. We'll start with regular bullets. We do want to increment the streak system. Be that as it may, we'll use this somewhere. Oh wait, hold on. Actually, what we should do is copy this line here. Because we have that in an else, right? So this is like a different sort of system. Let's see. Let's copy that into here. Okay, so the next thing I want to try to tackle is getting the health slider here, which is the boss health slider. To coincide with the health here. So let's actually see how we set that up. Because I know Game Manager, we do have a bunch of sliders here. The maximum health is what, 50 or something? So on start, could do game manager dot instance dot set boss health. To get the current health, whatever the current health is, because we're already setting it at the start. So boss health slider value, max value. What is the max value? Where's my game manager? Oh, there it is. Public void set boss health, I guess. And we were taking the current health. And we do need a slider. And we have a whole bunch of sliders here, so let me see if I can find it. Ah, here it is. Do we have a health slider? I think we have that in another... Nah, we don't have a health slider. We'll probably move that in here. It's not handled in here, the player health, so it's a bit interesting to me. How do we hold on. Okay, we'll get back to this in a sec. Let's go to the health settings. So on first run, this is going to be true. So now let's go back to that script. If health, for some odd reason, greater than okay. That shouldn't have happened. Hold on. Okay, I think we're pretty good here. I wanna. I think I'm pretty satisfied where we are. The next thing I want to do is implement a winning system. And so, like, when the time runs out and you survive the entire round, that means you won the game. I'm not gonna do it today, though. So, instead what I'll do, as a conclusion, I'm gonna, and because we actually achieved what we wanted to, I'm gonna make a recording of what we just did. Okay, so, yeah, let's begin. What's up, everyone? This is Nepal V, and in this demonstration, I have something to show you. Okay, so you can always watch my full live stream. I will link it in the description, or you can easily just find it. So as you can see, this bubble right here is a new enemy type. It is called a chameleon. The reason why it's called a chameleon is because it changes colors. And the goal is to survive the chameleon. Currently, I don't have it set up where it damages the player, because I still got a lot of playtesting to do to fish out bugs. But as you can see, the concept is, right now, it just follows you around. So I still gotta get this part working. As far as, like, destroying it completely. You can pick it, I don't know what that just happened. You can pick apart the health. And as you can see, I still have, like, an error. There's certain things I gotta, like, look into, such as, like, why the text still appears where it shouldn't. I'm thinking about putting it in its own container, but I don't know if I really want to do that. There's probably better ways to do it, but we'll figure it out. So that's where I am. That'll do for me. Hopefully you guys found some of that interesting. I will see you in the next video. I really gotta get better with the videos. But yeah, that'll do for me. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments of the stream. Definitely check out the other video I posted. And definitely like the stream, comment on the stream, suggest improvements. You know the rest. Alright, you all. Alright, you guys. I will see you guys later. I'll be back tomorrow morning, adding some finishing touches. And I might be back later today. We'll play some Spyro. I know you guys definitely missed that. I'll do a face cam off stream because I like playing in the dark. So we'll definitely get in there. And yeah. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.